हमारे साथ जुड़े रहने के लिए हमारे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, साथ ही बेल आइकन को दबाएं। नेटवर्क न्यूज की खबरें सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
थैंक यू डेप्यूटी चेयरमैन सर। सर
Please. You continue, Dula Singh.
You have rightly decided to allow discussions on two motions together. The first motion, moved by Elaram ji, is for sending the bill to a select committee. The second motion, moved by the Honorable Minister, is for the consideration and passing of the bill. I will first speak on why this bill needs to be sent for proper scrutiny to a select committee of Parliament. Then I will speak on the second motion, sir. Thank you, sir. Let me give you some numbers. And any honorable member may file a privilege motion against me if these numbers are wrong. In earlier Lok Sabhas, 60 to 70% of bills were sent to standing or select committees for scrutiny. In the last Lok Sabha, only 26% of bills were sent to any committee for scrutiny. In the current session, more bulldozing is happening. Out of the 16 bills passed by both houses, only one has been sent to a committee for scrutiny. This is bill number 17.
She is not yielding.
Please let me.
She is not yielding.
Please allow me, sir. Please allow me, sir, to speak.
जब आपका मौका
Please allow me, sir.
जब मौका आएगा कहेंगे प्लीज आप बोले प्लीज
Thank you.
प्लीज
Just because an ordinance.
Let Dola Singh speak. Yes.
Just because an ordinance has been brought in multiple times, that does not mean it has been scrutinized. Just because a government has won a majority in the Lok Sabha does not mean it can bypass the constitution and bypass parliamentary democracy. Since 1993, parliamentary committees have been doing a job. We have not yet become a presidential form of government, nor have we yet become a dictatorship.
Definitely not.
Till that happens, let us follow the rules of parliamentary democracy. This government is desperately trying to link the passage of this bill to women empowerment. So, let us talk about women empowerment. The present Lok Sabha has 78 women MPs, women MPs. Only 14% of the members are women. Government is saying this is historic. No, sir. This is shameful.
Shame.
I should know about women empowerment. I represent All India Trinamool Congress, a party where 41%, yes, I repeat, 41% of MPs in Lok Sabha are women.
Yeah.
In the last Lok Sabha, 35% of Trinamool Congress MPs were women. I represent a party where 50% of seats at the panchayat level are reserved for women, sir. I represent a party which now has the only elected women chief minister in India. I represent a party which, through its government, has benefited 60 lakh girls with its Kanyashri scheme.
Yes.
The United Nations awarded this initiative for women empowerment. Rupees 7,000 crores has been spent on this scheme. Rupees 7,000 crores in just one state, sir. Beti Bachao with due respect, has spent 700 crores in the entire country. This is just 10% of Kanashri's budget of Bangla. We do not pay lip service to women empowerment like Beti Bachao. 56% of their funds spent only on publicity. So हमको women empowerment पर भाषण नहीं सुनना है sir. What more can BJP teach me about women's empowerment? What more can BJP teach me about supporting women? You owe your birth and your identity to an organization in Nagpur, whose chief in 2013, Saif Ji, said that a husband and a wife are bound by social contract, and if the woman fails to deliver her duties, she can be abandoned. Allow me, sir. Allow me, sir. Allow me, sir. Allow me, sir.
The record will be examined. Please continue. Please. Please.
No, sir.
राकेश जी, थोड़ा सा जी आप बोले, आपके बाद और कोई बात नहीं जाए. Please. It will be examined. It will be
You
examined.
owe your birth and
Please.
you owe your birth.
It will be examined. I told you. Please. Rakesh ji, please take your seats. Let Dola sir speak. Rakesh ji, please. Rakesh,
Allow me, sir. Sir, allow me.
please speak. Speak.
You owe your birth and your identity to an organization in Nagpur, whose chief in 2013 said that a husband and wife are...
Rakesh ji,
Who are you, fellow?
please.
Who are you, fellow? That a husband and wife are bound by social contract, and if the woman fails to deliver her duties, she can be abandoned. And that is why the figure of abandoned or deserted woman is 23 lakh.
It will be examined.
And that is why the figure of abandoned or deserted woman is 23 lakh in our country.
Please.
And sir, allow me, sir.
Yes.
My time is going on.
Please.
Sir, what is this, sir?
It will be examined.
Sir, what is this, sir? Allow me. Sir, allow me, sir.
शंकर जी एग्जामिन होगा.
Sir, allow me to deliver.
Please.
Complete my speech, sir.
आप बोले. Please. Please. आप बैठे.
अरे time is going on, sir.
आप बोले. बोले आप.
And I am.
Please.
And I am.
आप बैठे. Not allowed.
Please. Thank you. And I am in an organization that gave me the chance to be the first woman state and all India president of a trade union wing of our party. If this government is really serious about women empowerment, bring the women's reservation bill. You are extending the parliament session. Extend it by one more day and bring the women's reservation bill. Please introduce the bill which will benefit 60 crores of women. Triple talaq discussion. पार्लियामेंट में ये बोला गया था, जहां मर्दों का सवाल आता है वहां आप आसानी से कानून बदल देते हैं, और जहां औरतों की सुरक्षा की बात आती है, एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा. ये किसने कहा था सर? आवर ऑनरेबल बीजेपी सांसद एमजे अकबर. नहीं, चलिए हम वहां नहीं जाएंगे, नहीं तो ट्रेजरी बेंच एम्बेरस हो जाएंगे. थैंक यू सर. सो सर, आई स्पोक ऑन why this bill should go to a select committee. Now, for some more specifics of the bill. 1. Remove the draconian criminality clause. As per the bill, the husband can be jailed for 3 years for pronouncing triple talaq. Will the wife not be allowed to remarry for 3 years? What will she do once the husband is out of jail? 2. The husband is also expected to pay for the maintenance of his wife and children. How will he pay if he is in jail? Where will he get the money from? 3. For bailable offences, bail is given as a matter of right. But in this case, subjecting the victim to additional testimony is just a formality and an additional burden on the woman. In the sayings of the Prophet, the Hadith, it is written, लिखा है कि जितने भी चीज़ों की इजाज़त है उसमें सबसे नापसंदीदा चीज़ तलाक है. सो हमको प्लीज लेक्चर मत दीजिए.
आप देख रहे हैं नेट्रिक न्यूज, साहस सच कहने का.